Ocean sunfish. It's big and flat like a giant pancake. It floats near the surface to warm up. It can weigh as much as a car beluga sturgeon. It's an ancient fish with bony plates. It lives in deep rivers and seas. Its eggs are used for caviar. Cuttlefish. It's smart and can change color fast. It has a W-shaped pupil. It shoots ink when scared. Archerfish. It spits water to shoot bugs off leaves. It has amazing aim. It lives in mangroves and estuaries. Mud skipper. It can walk on land with its fins. It lives in muddy shores. It breathes through its skin. Sea snail. It has a spiral shell. It crawls slowly on rocks. Some make colorful shells we collect. Cone snail. It looks pretty with bright patterns. It hides in coral sand. But it's very poisonous Wabagong shark. It's flat and patterned like a rug. It lies still to ambush prey. It's called a carpet shark, dogfish shark. It's small and gray. It lives in cool seas. It hunts in schools at night. Cookie cutter shark. It bites round holes in big fish. It's small but brave. It glows in the dark. Arctic char. It's shiny and spotted. It lives in cold, icy waters. It can survive freezing temperatures. Salmon. It swims from the ocean back to rivers. It jumps up waterfalls to lay eggs. Bears love to eat it. Eel catfish. It looks like both an eel and a catfish. It hides in muddy bottoms. It uses whiskers to find food. Sand tiger shark. It looks scary but gentle. It swallows air to float. It glides slowly with a toothy grin. Zebra shark. It has stripes as a baby and spots as an adult. It rests on the sea floor. It's calm and friendly. Nurse shark. It's slow and sleepy. It rests in caves during the day. It sucks food with a strong mouth. Basking shark. It's giant but harmless. It swims with its mouth wide open. It eats tiny plankton. Greenland shark. It lives for hundreds of years. It moves very slowly in cold waters. It's one of the oldest animals. Sawfish. It has a long, saw-like nose. It swings it to catch prey. It lives near river mouths. Elephant seal. It's big and heavy. Males have a long nose like a trunk. It can dive deeper than most whales.